Ever wondered how volcanoes form? Let's dive into the science behind Earth's fiery eruptions. Volcanoes form when molten rock from inside the Earth escapes to the surface. The Earth's outer shell is made of tectonic plates, and when they move, they create cracks. Magma rises through these cracks and builds up over time, eventually erupting as lava. This eruption releases gases, ash, and molten rock, shaping the land around the volcano. And that's how volcanoes form. Like, subscribe, and share for more amazing facts.